convenient Cura LUXE auto pause sensor will pause airflow when the dryer handle is released and resume airflow once held again. On the handle of the Cura LUXE, you'll find 3 IR sensors, 1 on the front of the handle and 2 on the back. To maintain airflow, ensure at least one of the 3 sensors is covered during use. If not, the airflow will pause. To disengage the auto pause sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks. To re-engage the sensor, hold the speed switch down until the 3rd light blinks once again.